Hello everyone! Today I'm showing how to customize your own notebook. So I found this really old notebook that had a cover I didn't care for because it was cringe, so I painted over the entire cover to get a good base. Yes, I know it looks crusty. Also, if the book you're designing is smooth like mine, then you might want to sand it and make it rough so the paint will actually stick. I decided to go for a pastel cream to pink gradient background because I think it looks cute, but you can do a plain base or a gradient or whatever you want. If your paint is like mine, then you'll need to do a few coats to make the texture smooth. Make sure to be patient with letting it dry before you add another layer. I learned that the hard way. While I was waiting for the paint to dry on the cover, I wanted to paint a pencil to make it match because that is cute. I accidentally smeared the paint while it was still wet. Don't do that. Next, I cut out the design I wanted to paint on the front. I made a stencil first because I didn't want to mess it up on the actual cover, because I've done that before. For anyone wondering, I'm designing this notebook to be a friendship journal for me and my best friend, which is why I really like that this notebook came with a lock and keys, because, you know, to keep all the spicy secrets hidden. Some other ideas, if you don't want to do this certain design, you can do floral patterns, galaxy, nature, calligraphy, holiday themed, anything you want, just get creative. You also don't have to do just paint. You can decorate it with markers, clay, paper, or glitter. Last thing is that I glued down the last 2 pages because I didn't like this dark pink color every time I opened the journal. I didn't show it in this video, but if your paint is chipping off or rubbing off easily, then you can put a sealant or a clear gloss over it to make it more durable. That's all I have to share for this video. Hope it was useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!